Welcome to the video, guys. This video will be cruising from Gunshot and making our way up towards Punson Bay. Enjoy the video. Where are we now?
We're at Kakatuka Creek.
Kakatuka Creek? Looks like it's flowing a fair bit down here, I reckon. I think Mick has given it a walk before we head down. It's looking pretty deep, man. I don't remember what the video of this one does.
We gotta go right around it.
Right around, okay. Check this out. Oh yeah, it's fresh.
I know where I'm singing this tonight.
So not there.
Is that part of the plan?
So we ride this up here. There's a hole here, I reckon. Wow, that is cranking, man.
It's slippery and it's pushing me down. There's no hole.
There's no hole there.
There's current there, but none here.
Not unless you're too slippery on this stuff. That's the only thing that'll get you. Yeah, they all come right around over there.
Yeah, they go that way.
You'd almost ride the tyre on this thing. Yeah, I'm just looking at all of their tyre tracks come from way down there. This is absolutely beautiful here. We've actually been lucky enough to get the whole water area to ourselves at the moment. Everybody else is sort of packing up to leave from yesterday, and we came in fairly late last night, so we didn't really get the best campsites possible. It was really busy last night, and the fact that we were here late. So we're gonna wait a little while today until some people move, and then we're gonna set up in a nicer camp so we're all back in a group, and then we're gonna go visit Fruit Bat and Twin Falls, Eliot Falls, and just enjoy the water. Really should be really nice. Ollie's flowing down the river at the moment. Like a water ride, isn't it? Really pretty. The water temp's actually really nice too, so I reckon, I haven't checked in the car, I'd say it's about 30 degrees already, and it's what, 9 o'clock in the morning, 26-30 degrees, something like that. Been like that most of the time. Had a little bit of rain last night, and last night was our first night in the swag as well, so it wasn't overly exciting, not when you're used to the caravan. A little bit of adjusting to do. Tried to be as organised as we can with the car and all the stuff we need. We've got everything in tubs and boxes in the back of the car. Obviously now we've got the slide out table with the new drawer system in there as well, which did make it a lot easier. We're gonna have a look at these waterfalls and have a bit of a relaxing time today.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? Who's gonna
Have a look at Kiana coming down the stream.
Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
Awesome. How beautiful is this? We've got the whole place to ourselves pretty much. It's crystal clear through here. Have a look.
I'm going to show you a Thunderwood feet. 2, 1.
guys did a quick fix on Dave's front wheel from when he popped the bead at the gunshot exit. You can see that in the last video. After this and a bite to eat, we all packed the cars and went for a drive to visit Fruitbat Falls. On the way we came across these crazy guys again. Check it out.
Baby.
Oh, it's not sounding good. That's nuts. That's cool.
I think it's going by jet.
I think it's exhaust. Window up. Got it. We've just made our way down to Fruitbat Falls, which was about a 10-minute drive, 5-10 minute drive from where we were camping. There's a few car parks there. It's about a 200-meter walk down to Fruitbat Falls. Kiana and I are doing it together. Are you excited to go on a waterfall?
Yeah.
It's going to be quite nice. It's actually really pretty. The wind's just picked up a little bit just this afternoon, unfortunately. But through here does look super beautiful. As far as I'm aware, this part is actually a national park, so it's sort of a bit more looked after than some of the other places we've been. This one's got a nice boardwalk and a lookout and everything. Check this out.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
Over there now, really careful. Yeah, go near the waterfall.
Who's gonna love you? So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
Where are we now, guys?
Fruitbat Falls.
What's your favourite bit about Fruitbat Falls?
Probably about it's warm.
We're in a little pools.
Yeah.
So the waterfall's just over there where all those people are. We're at the top of the waterfall and we're in these little holes, little erosion holes that are actually pockets of warm water. It's really, really nice.
I'll go show you the waterfall if you want.
What's your favourite part of Fruitbat Falls?
Probably that it's really warm in the pool.
It is really warm, it's nice. So we're going to go, I think, to, where was the next one we're going
Eliot
to?
also,
Eliot Falls, I reckon that might be next.
and also I saw an eel-looking thingy.
What?
Yeah, but I don't think it's electric though.
No, I don't reckon it'll be electric one. It looked a little bit like an eel, didn't it?
Yeah.
Little fish everywhere in the water.
Yeah.
We'll hop out in a minute and we'll head on to the next one.
Eliot Falls.
Woo! After we dried off and packed up, we proceeded to drive down the road 10 to 15 minutes to Eliot Falls. Eliot Falls and Twin Falls were both in the same area and they were quite close to each other. We actually swam from Eliot Falls around to Twin Falls. Eliot Falls was probably one of our favourite waterfalls so far.
Need to job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, but what doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished to stay, but they're done.
Cut my foot.
That's why we say, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind what them heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
After having an absolute ball at Eliot Falls, we all floated downstream, climbed some rocks and made our way to Twin Falls. Twin Falls was a much more relaxing space, had a shallow pool at the bottom where everyone could sit down and relax. We also climbed to the top to explore. This is like a special... Oh my god, it's warm. Is that really pretty?
Hello. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you the waterfall.
At the top of Twin Falls, there was a series of really deep holes. Ollie had a great time jumping in and out of all of them. Some of them were up to his shoulders in depth. Today was a beautiful day. We managed to do a heap of stuff. We went to Eliot Falls, Twin Falls, Fruitbat Falls. It was a pretty jam-packed day. It was really nice. All of them were a short drive from where we're staying here, and there's a ton of people here tonight as well at the campgrounds. Just having a chilled out night tonight. We got some firewood and just gonna have a couple of drinks and some nice food. Should be good. The next morning we packed up and started heading to our next spot, which was Sam's Creek. There was a bit of rain overnight which moistened up the tracks. It made it a little bit slippery, but nothing too difficult. We've just pulled up at Sam's Crossing. We're just gonna have a little look down and have a bit of a walk. It's pretty nice here. And I reckon we're gonna camp on the other side. I think when he uses the gears to like hold it in place when it's off, it like the engine stops it. But then softy, yep. So a bit of locker and a bit of low range. How are ya?
Oh, James.
Whoa. So is that the deepest bit, the drop in? After we'd all successfully got through Sam's Creek crossing, we got to the other side and set up camp. This was going to be our next camp for tonight. After the cars were all on the other side of the crossing, we came for a walk and a bit of an explore. There's a beautiful spot just near the crossing down a little track, and you'll find a nice waterfall with a swimming area. How amazing does this look? Ollie's going to jump off the ledge in here. It's super deep. The waterfall through here. It's all super deep. Beautiful. How cool is that? Beautiful.
Who needs a job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel
Spin around when you jump.
sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished to stay, but they're done. Red eyes while he's shut. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Did you have fun? Was that a massive jump?
Yeah. It was fun.
Hey girl, did you see me and Ollie jump?
Yeah.
Was it super cool?
Yeah.
We jumped and we held hands. It was pretty cool.
Yeah. And also, when you get here, you have to jump off.
It's so cool.
Yeah. Hello everyone, I'm floating on the floaty. Woo! Whee! Whee! This is what it looks like. Woo!
We spent the rest of the day relaxing around Sam's Creek and watching all these other guys come through the crossing as well. It was actually a really nice day, really relaxing, and we enjoyed the stay there. The plan was to stay the night here, but at the last moment, Bianca and I decided that it would be better for us to go back now and get the van from Bramwell Station so that we can meet up with everybody at the Jardine Ferry the next day. We would stay the night at Bramwell Station, transfer everything back from the car into the caravan, and then make the trip down to the Jardine Ferry crossing to meet everybody else. It did mean that we were going to miss out on some of the cool crossings like Nolan's, but we were willing to sacrifice this in order to keep the group moving and not hold anyone up. Oops.